Let's start. David, English.
You already scored so many goals against big teams. Already scored. Now, where do you keep these goals today? Because it's against the Bengal. You are in the actually winning the league. So, how important is this?
We try our best in the beginning. That's why we score, and we need 3 points. And in the beginning, we are going to win this match, and that's why we can win.
So what coach told you before the match, before we play this? What coach says to you? What coach says?
I told him I scored 3 goals, and he scored only 2 goals. It's like that.
Another thing, last question. After scoring 2 goals, what happened that actually your team actually was not going for the forward play, just going the defending? Why?
In football, that's why if we score a goal after second half, any team are attack me, and we can defend. We can protect our goals, and we can win.
Do you dedicate this goal to somebody? Do you dedicate this goal to
Sir.
My mother.
mother? Your mother? Mother. What is the name of your mother?
We will give you later the name. Yeah.
Good afternoon, but please, no question about referees. Okay, only about tactic, about players, not about referees. We forget this people.
17 goals in this Kolkata League. Do you think that now they should get a chance in Indian team?
Look, if you scored so many goals, you are a very good player, because not important you play third division, you play ISL, you play I-Liga, you have this feeling to score, and he scored so many goals. I think people from Indian national team must see on him, because really in India don't have so many good strikers, mostly strikers from another countries. About that striker like David, they need to see him and maybe really call one time and see how he is on this level.
But one thing you said today, and I'm asking David, but that is not his question, but I am asking you that after scoring goals, your team looks defensive. What is the reason? Actually, are they afraid of the opponent that time, or actually that was your strategy?
Look, this is not our tactic first, but we need to know. We played on 14th, we played on 17th, and we now played on 20. This is very difficult schedule. Every 2 days it's a new game. This is really not so easy to come on the ground and play against one very good team. This is really a very good team, and they brought some players from first team. And when you play against a team who is not like you level, a little bit down, then okay, you can score third goal, fourth goal, you can control the game. But if you play against a very strong team, also sometimes they can take the ball, they can go in attack, they press us. This is normal in the football. If the same teams play, you cannot control the ball all the time. Sometimes they also have control under the game. And this is happened today.
You have more sharp team ahead now, like that you have to play Diamond Harbour, you have to play Mohun Bagan. So how would you plan actually? As you were saying that you are playing so many games in very short time. So how do you plan to recover your players?
Like before, we have our plan. We know how we need to work for the next game. Today, players can enjoy this win, but from tomorrow they start to work in preparation for the next game. Now we cannot give them off days because all is very close, and we need to work every day.
questions?
No?
Should we stop? Thank you, everybody.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye.